There are three types of image creation using DALL-E and the OpenAI API. There is the image generation from scratch. You provide a text prompt and DALL-E will generate the image for you. The second type is an image edit. You provide to DALL-E an image, a mask, and a prompt to tell DALL-E what edit you want to apply to your image. And the third one is an image variation. You provide an image and you ask DALL-E to create for you an image variation. So we've already seen an image variation in this video. We've already seen also an image generation in this video too. In this video, we're going to see how to create an image edit or how to automatically edit this image using Python and request to DALL-E using the OpenAI API. So this is an example of an image edit. You provide two square images with the same size and you specify or you add the prompt to specify the modification to add. So the first image is the original image. It's your image that you want to edit. The second image is an image mask. It contains a transparent area and this is the area where the modifications will be added. The remaining area will not be used. And the third element that you must provide is the prompt that describes the modification, but not only the modification, also describe the generated image. So, for example, a sunlight indoor lounge area with a pool containing a flamingo. This prompt describes the entire image with the new modification. The flamingo wasn't available in the original image, but with this prompt, it will be added where in the area specified by the mask, and this is the resulting image, and it actually contains the flamingo generated by DALL-E. In your API request, you specify the original image that you are going to edit, the image that you are going to use as a mask, the prompt that describes the created image, the number of images to create, and finally, the size of the images to create also. In our case, we want only to add modification in the background of our image. So this is why we are going to simply remove the background using this online tool. So this is the original image with the background. And this one is the image mask. So for our prompt, I'm going to use the original prompt that I've used to create or to generate the image. Our image is an AI generated dog. Then I will add to it this phrase, sitting on a chair. So this way it will generate for me a dog sitting on a chair. And here is the code to create the image edit from our dog image. And this is the generated image. In this video, we've seen how to edit an image using OpenAI API, DALL-E2, and a Python code. If you want to know how to generate or how to create a variation, you can check these suggested videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.